Today I will show you how to add text in Premiere Pro. First you go to the Text tool or use the shortcut letter T on your keyboard. After that, you click somewhere on the video where you wish the text to appear, and you start writing your text. You can see that the text is also put on the timeline now, and you can move it around from where you wish to start the text on your video. When you go back to the selection tool, you can move the text around, and you can also make it bigger or smaller. After this you go to the effect controls. Here you can change the text even more. Here you can change the letter style. I will just choose a simple one, but there are many options for you to explore. You can make it in a bold print, or make everything show like a capital letter, and many more options. You will just have to try out what suits you the best. Here you can change to color, or even put a stroke or a background to it. When you scroll down you can see a lot more options you can adjust. You can change to position, turn the text sideways, make the text dissolve, and even make it bigger and smaller again. Did you find this video super helpful? Then don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. I will leave a comment or I will just make a video about it. Thank you all for watching.